So guys, I'm coming to you from Pomfret in St. Thomas, and you're looking at what they call dragon fruit. Yeah, see it? Yeah, family plants these dragon fruit in their backyard. Yes, overlooking the Yallahs Pond. That's the Yallahs Pond over there. Yes, yes. So we are taking a tour of this dragon fruit field. Yes, my sister and I and our cousin. Yes, this is the dragon fruit field. Yes, and I am going towards the Yallahs Pond, which is basically in our backyard. Part of the pond that I always want to video. See it here, right here. See it? Hear the water? So beautiful. This stretch all the way back into Yallahs, right? This is right, and all the way out to the sea. So the sea and the pond meets. Yeah, this is it. The beautiful Yallahs Pond from a back view. So beautiful. So beautiful. Beautiful. The dragon fruit, yeah. See it here, so one here, guys. If you don't know what it is, it's a fruit within this plant that they call dragon fruit. Dragon fruit.